Have you ever been told by a lender that you don't qualify for a loan, yet another lender says that you do? Do you want to know why that happens and how to choose the right lender? Stay tuned. We've got those answers for you.
Hi, we are My Sweet Casa real estate team in Arizona, focusing in the Northwest Valley. I'm Myrna, this is Aldo,
Hello.
And this is Gabi.
Hi.
Today we are going to focus on how to choose a lender and what the lender is looking for when you're ready to buy that home.
This is step 2 of our video series called the 8 Steps of the Home Buying Process. You can view any of our videos in the links below. But before we get started, let us remind you to like us, subscribe, and ring that bell. So let's get started with how to choose a lender.
So you're ready to speak with a lender, but how do you go about choosing the right lender? At first, it may seem that it's not that important.
Yeah, because there are a ton of lenders out there to choose from, just like there are real estate agents to choose from.
That's true.
But it is important, Myrna.
Yeah.
All lenders are not the same.
Yes, and neither are all real estate agents.
True.
Loan programs vary from lender to lender. For example, if you need down payment assistance, you want to select a lender that offers down payment assistance programs.
That's right, because if they don't, you actually may not qualify for their loan programs, leaving you with the impression that you're out of options and that you don't qualify for any other loan programs out there.
That's right, Myrna.
And that can be devastating.
Yeah.
We say, don't put yourself through that. Let us help you by going over some of the great options you have in choosing a lender.
One of the best resources available to you in choosing a lender is your realtor. A well-experienced realtor develops relationships with lenders and understands what type of loan programs are out there. Your realtor will refer you to a lender who understands your specific needs and financial situation.
That's right.
Yeah.
We at My Sweet Casa develop solid relationships with our clients, which allows us to refer them to the right lender with the programs that meet their needs.
Another good resource is friends and family.
Yeah.
That's right.
Like many things in life, friends and family can offer great insight through personal experiences. Or you can choose to go through your bank.
Yeah.
If you do, though, remember that banks are limited in the particular loan programs they can offer you.
Let's move forward now. In order for the lender to evaluate and assess whether you qualify for the loan or not, the lender will request a loan application, which consists of basic information about you, such as your name, date of birth, social security number, sources of income, and at least 2 years of employment. Once the lender has gathered that information, they will be able to evaluate your financial situation.
Yes. And if you're looking for a little more detail on that application and the documents required, you can view one of our videos where we did kind of like a Q&A session with one of our preferred lenders.
There are key indicators the lender will assess when qualifying a buyer. And one of those key indicators, as I'm sure we're all aware, is the lender running your credit. Now, we know it's important to maintain a good credit score when you're qualifying. However, there are myths out there that say that you must have a 700 plus FICO score in order to qualify. Well, we know that's simply not the case. So don't be discouraged, as there's options for you as a buyer if you have less than a 700 plus FICO score.
We've had many buyers who have qualified with scores as low as 640, some even at 580. Granted, that's based on the economy, their available down payment, and other factors. The point is that choosing the right lender based on your financial needs is so crucial. As Aldo previously mentioned, if you need down payment assistance, make sure that the lender you have chosen has that particular program available.
Another major indicator that your lender will assess when qualifying you for the loan is your debt to income ratio. What you make versus what you owe on a monthly basis. They just want to make sure that you can afford your mortgage.
Yeah.
When the lender is done assessing your situation, they can determine the amount that you qualify for, the type of programs such as first-time home buyer, down payment assistance, your interest rate, and the down payment needed. Congratulations! Your lender has pre-qualified you for your loan.
That's awesome. You are ready for step 3 of the home buying process. Speaking with your realtor and looking for that perfect home for you and your family. But let's say you didn't qualify and you have a couple of hiccups. Don't give up. Your lender will give you areas of opportunity to work on, so that way you can get to a point of qualifying. Here at My Sweet Casa, we work with lenders that give you simulation programs that give you a step-by-step process to a point of qualifying you for a loan.
And those are totally at no cost to you.
Well, that was step 2 of our video series, the 8 steps of the home buying process. We hope that you found that helpful, as we understand it can be overwhelming. But having a good grasp of the steps can help alleviate that feeling and make it more enjoyable. If you want to view any of those videos where we dive in a bit deeper, you can access those on the links below.
As we mentioned earlier, we interviewed one of our preferred lenders that we work with on a regular basis. Kind of a Q&A session of frequently asked questions from our buyers. This will be helpful in smashing lending myths and gaining overall knowledge. You can find the video here on our channel.
Well, that's it, folks. We are all done. Don't forget to like us, subscribe, and ring that bell.